Mercedes AMG has previewed its plans for a new standalone electric performance saloon to rival the Porsche Taycan with the unveiling of the Vision AMG. The production version, due in 2025, will be the first AMG model to sit atop the company's dedicated AMG.EA electric car platform, a structure conceived around a compact battery designed to allow a lower and more sporting shape than that permitted by Mercedes-Benz's existing EVA electric car platform, as used by the Mercedes EQS and Mercedes EK saloons. "We've taken full advantage of the new platform in both the design and proportions," said Robert Lesnick, head of Mercedes-Benz exterior design. "The Vision AMG shows what we are planning. A low and sleek saloon with outstanding aerodynamics and the space to accommodate 4 adults in comfort." Don't forget to subscribe and hit like button.